Later, dude. Alright, sorry I'm not giving you a proper introduction, but what's up, guys? I'm Teacher on Two Wheels. This is the second leg of my trip. We took an extra day to hang out here in Colorado. So if this is your first time watching, go ahead and check out the link up top right there, and that'll help you get caught up. I'm on my way doing a coast to coast, and my channel is pretty much all about riding anything on two wheels. So stick around and let's see what kind of cool stuff I can get into today. So the only thing that I don't like about waking up early and riding these is obviously the sun. You're riding into it. It's gonna be like this for a while. You almost can't wait for it to hurry up and get on top of it. You don't have to worry about looking into it. What could you do? Not much. Just keep on pushing. So we're just east of Gunnison, and boy, that weather changed. It dropped down to 58 degrees, so I had to pull over real quick and put some gear on, warm up. I don't know how long it's be cold for. My nose is starting to even run. But we're good, geared up, keep on moving. Well, I sure am glad my buddy recommended this route. The scenery is quite breathtaking, to be honest. So every time I do these cross-country rides, you deal with this type of stuff. They're always trying to fix the roads, which is great. It just sucks for us because we gotta wait. But not a bad spot to be stuck in, right? See? Sometimes you gotta look at the positive things. Really nice. And we're off. Luckily it was only like, I don't know, 10-minute wait. Sometimes these things can be long. That wasn't that bad. So usually they let one side go, and then their lead truck turns around and takes the next group. And they're good. So yeah, it's slow going though. I wonder how long it's for. I've been in one time. I did one, it was like 21 miles of this, but it was dirt road. So I don't know what this one's gonna be like. We'll see. So I think what they're doing is they're blasting it here, trying to help with the rocks that fall from this here area, which is a good thing. Keeps everybody safe. Ooh, we rolling into some clouds. Such a nice lady. Be safe. Okay, so we are officially out of the construction zone. No more lead truck. We are good to go. And the scenery is quite beautiful. Check out how we're in the clouds, surrounded by beautiful mountains. So far, US 50 is quite beautiful.
Time won't stop, so gonna get on the ride, twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. Home moves with me where I roam. It's in every dream I make my own. I'm never alone. I know that every day will always bring me something new. So I spread all my footprints around, yeah. I know that every day will always bring me something new.
Looks like my jacket's coming undone. Let's get a little bit of tight right here. I know why that's loose. That's a little loose because every time I open it, it tilts that way. It's all good. Crisis averted. I've had that leather jacket for like 13 years. I ain't trying to lose it. I probably won't even wear it once on this trip either. See how we went through that little storm? You see behind me. And it was only like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. I wouldn't even call it a storm. It was raining. And it only rained for like 5 minutes. It was pretty welcoming because right now the temps are, let's see, it's 95, but when we were going through that rain, it dropped down to like 86 and it felt awesome. So sometimes rain is a good thing. Well, as you can see, I think we just missed the storm when we were going north on the 25, and now you see it behind me. Now I don't know if there's another storm or at least a rain patch coming up, but it's crazy because it's constantly changing. It was just like 95 like 10 minutes ago. And now we're at now we're at 79. My computer, I think you might have just saw that. It was stuck at 90 until I refreshed it. Now it's at 79. So, I mean, the weather just changes so fast. And I'm constantly debating, should I pull over? Should I pull over? Because I think I've said it before, because of this right here. Whenever you're using the medium mod, your GoPro is no longer waterproof. And then my phone, I'm pretty sure it's not waterproof either. So I'm always debating, is it time? Is it time? And like I said, so far I've been pretty good at my judgment. I can see like, oh, it's just sprinkles and we're gonna ride through it. But those are just some things to expect when you go on these long hauls, is that weather is just different, especially for us in California. We're not used to weather like this. It don't rain often. It's always so yeah. See how the rest of this goes. See if I can beat this storm. I keep watching the cars. The other thing I do is I look at the cars coming towards me, and I look and see if their windshield wipers are on. If their windshield wipers are on, I know for a fact it's raining, and I'm not seeing any water or anything coming off of their cars. So let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? So I kind of stopped filming because we were in a rush trying to just get to as close as we could to Kansas, because we ended up taking a scenic route. One of the things I didn't film, I started to get like heat exhaustion, and I had to pull over and basically cool myself down. So I ended up drinking a lot of fluids, taking some water. I always carry packs of electrolytes. That's something I would suggest on long hauls. Water, electrolytes, camel pack. That's kind of new to me. I've never done the camel pack thing. It works really well. You can actually, and almost like it brings you back to life every like 30 minutes. If you take a couple sips, you feel rejuvenated. So something that I would definitely consider. So I had to pull over. I got in some shade, laid down real quick. I would say about 30 minutes of a rest time, and then I felt like $1 million and I was ready to go. So ended up pulling over for the night, and that's where we ended up. So we are actually, like I said, we're close to the state line into Kansas. So we're gonna get back on the road tomorrow and see how everything else goes.